This is the future of video creation, powered by AI. Created with Google Veo 3.
Welcome! In this course, I'll show you how to create amazing videos with Google Veo 3 for free.
What you just watched was entirely created by AI. No cameras, no editing software, no actors. Just a few lines of text and Google Veo 3. Welcome to the ultimate course on Google Veo 3, the groundbreaking AI video generator from Google. In this course, I'll show you how to create stunning cinematic videos like the one you just saw, using only your imagination and a few simple tools. You'll learn how to create your free Veo 3 account using Gemini and Flow. Turn your ideas, images, or text into full videos. Use advanced prompting techniques to boost quality, and even generate passive income with your AI creations. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, freelancer, educator, or just curious about the future of AI, this course gives you everything you need to get started today. No editing skills, no prior experience, just your creativity and the power of AI. So if you're ready to unlock the future of video creation, click Start Course, and let's begin your journey with Google Veo 3.